Hey y'all, how's it going?
Hi, this is CJ with Agate Enchantment.
This is Danny over here, and we're just chilling on our deck in the sunshine. So we came up with this really great idea. Actually, I came up with this idea. And I've seen these guys doing this really cool stuff with like Lysol, Limeaway and Clorox. And we've always wondered, hey, which way works the best? So we thought to myself, and then I asked CJ, I said, why don't we check it out? Why don't we do a side-by-side comparison, right? So what we basically put together here is some petrified wood, quartz, carnelian. We put together some quartzite, some jasper in each baggie jar, if you will. And so we're gonna run this. This is our part one. Okay, so, and we're going to put it in, we're going to demonstrate that we're putting it in, then we're going to let it sit for a week, 1 week, not just a couple days, and then we're going to pull them out, we're going to reveal them to you on our part 2, and see what we come up with. It ought to be kind of fun, don't you think so?
Yep.
Yeah. So,
let's have at it.
Yeah, we're gonna have at it.
Okay.
We're gonna load them up inside there.
Okay. I'm gonna put the big pet wood first in the Lysol.
Yeah.
Also, you might want to use gloves when you go to pull these out.
Because they do use this to clean their, you know where.
Ooh. We have some bubbling action going. Yeah. So that means we have calcite in this one.
Bingo. So we want to know for sure. Don't you want to know? This looks like fun to us.
Yeah. I love science. It's cool.
Yeah, especially about rocks.
Whoa, that one's bubbling.
Yeah, woohoo. Yeah, it is.
Yeah, that one's bubbling.
Nice. Cool. Well, I'm going to move the bottle for now, but we'll keep track of which one goes to which.
Yeah.
All right.
Uh-oh, that one didn't get all the way in.
We'll give it a little shake. Woohoo! So,
as you can
we
see,
have some bubble action in all of these.
Yeah.
All right. So far, we have no idea how this is all going to work, but we're hoping it works really cool and that, you know, we save a little tumble time. I don't know. We'll see how it goes, right? So we have in spot number 1, Lysol.
10x power.
10x power.
Make sure you use gloves.
That's right. And in spot number 2, Limeaway.
My favorite color.
Yeah. And the runner-up in number 3 is Agate Classic. That's right.
So, we shall see which one cleans the rocks
We'll
best.
see you next week. All right. Hey, for now, please like and subscribe to our channel. And what CJ always says,
go out, find your treasure, and have a great time rocking.
yeah, springtime's here, you guys.
Yep, rocking.
Bye for now.